shit, you guys, you do not know how excited I am. I have been excited since yesterday when I found out that BlackCraft actually had makeup. Now, I've been fawning over this stuff for the past couple of months and did not know that they were BlackCraft brand. So when I found out, I actually had to instantly go out and get them. So taking the Night Fiend palette, which is their eyeshadow palette, first off, the swatches being coffins are fucking adorable and I love the shit out of it. Now, throwing the applicator brush, if you're a beginner, they're great. But I have my own brushes, so I'm taking the Eerie shade and sticking that all over the lid right after I primed it. This is going to ensure that the colors stand out bright and vivid. And then going in with the Amulet shade, I'm sticking that on the crease, and as well as the Conjure shade, which is a more shimmery shade. I'm mixing them. About 4 of the shades in this palette are shimmers and the rest of them are mattes. So I'm sticking those in the crease, as well as the Blood Rose shade. These are all going to be transitional shades because I'm doing a smoky eye with this. I wanted to also use as many colors in this look as I could, and I thought it turned out pretty damn well. So I'm also taking the Blood Rose color and sticking that underneath of my bottom waterline as well to kind of just bring the entire smoky eye down. Now I'm going to save you guys the hassle. You don't have to watch me struggle cuddle this fucking eyeliner pencil. It is so small and dull, and it was a struggle getting the pencil on my eyelid. So I'm just going to jump right over to the Nightshade. Let me say that the only black eyeshadow that I loved, past tense, was the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil Black. But this is the same quality as that, and this is now my newest favorite black eyeshadow. It was a little rough to go ahead and blend out on one of my eyes, but that's probably just my eye creeping out for some reason. But after I placed down the black, I cleaned up the outer crease, and then I went back in with the same Blood Rose color and fanned it out on the top. Now I'm taking this Pendulum shade, which is another shimmer shade of the palette, and I'm sticking that on the brow bone just to kind of further fan out the colors on the top, make it nice and shimmery, and give my eyebrows a little pop. I'm also taking that on my finger and sticking that where that ugly, empty spot is on the front of the lid. This is kind of like a half smoky, half creasy kind of look. I don't know. Like I said, I wanted to use as many colors of this palette as I could within this. Now, here's another thing is, you know, the black was giving me a little bit of trouble, so I did go back and dab some more where the transitional shade is halfway through the lid. Now I'm just applying some eyeliner, my normal fashion, and I also took the Nightshade color and stuck that a little bit underneath of my waterline as well to bring down the smoky eye all the way so it can encase the eye. Now I'm just drawing on my little cross. I will say that a lot of people in public think that this is tattooed on, probably because I wear it daily, but it's not. Sadly enough, it's not. So here's where I take the Nightshade color and stick it underneath. Add some false lashes to further enhance the look, and then this is my second favorite palette of theirs, which is their lips. Now they have 4 shades, all have Gold Hollow, which is still in my heart, this company. Now I'm using the shades Unholy and Death Stare, but they also have Cult Classic and Sinful that come in this box as well. Unholy is the black, and then Death Stare is the red that I use as the ombre portion of the lip. Now I will say that somebody told me that these were matte shades, which they were getting my hopes up a little bit because they're not matte, they're actually more of a butter gloss, which I'm perfectly fine with. After about 3 to 4 hours of wear, right now, like I'm currently still wearing it, and they do not crease up in the outer crease of the lips or anything, like it still looks like I just applied it. And that is a high plus in my book. Like I could go 8 hours and not have to worry about my crease being exposed or my natural lip being exposed because my saliva and, you know, this, that, and the other. So awesome, grade A, I love it. They blend really well, they look fantastic. The lipsticks are highly pigmented just like the eyeshadow palette. Amazing stuff. Not to mention their packaging. Their packaging is downright amazing. So I'm just going in, contouring, and then highlighting, and that's pretty much the end of this look. It was a very, very simple smoky eye look. So if you guys want this palette, I have all good things to say. Not to mention, inside of each one of their palettes has a really, really cute mirror. Amazing. Amazing packaging, amazing company. I have nothing but good to say about them. So if you guys like the review-ish type of video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Definitely leave a comment for your favorite brand of makeup down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I put out videos all the time, and like I said, I really love doing this one. It was awesome. It is not sponsored or anything. BlackCraft, I'm looking at you. Your stuff is amazing. So that is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hearts and farts.